This is Akko's Cinnamoroll 20th Anniversary 5075B Plus. Wireless capabilities, silicone plate foam. It has the Akko CS wine white switches. On top of its backlight LEDs, it's also got LED side strips. This is the keyboard that I'm currently using right now. Here's what it sounds like. Yo, Zibinish here. So, it's been a little while since I've been streaming or posting some videos. Recently I went to a convention. There's some Itasha. Yeah, this skyline was probably the most eye-catching one. This year's HoloLive panel was with Kobo and Hachama. Some posters I got, a bit more goodies. This is just me trying to clean up my room. Now I'm just trying to reorganize my setup. There's a little sneak peek of it. Trying to make everything feel fresh again, and no, I swear I don't have some sort of unhealthy obsession with Lucy Keycaps. Okay, I think that's it for this video. I'll see you guys whenever I post again. Until then, take care of yourselves, stay safe, and remember, stay sane.